Hey guys, John across in Louisville, Kentucky. I wanted to go through a part we get quite a few questions on, and that's AEV's Highline kit for the TJ and LJ. The TJ, which is the shorter version of this Jeep, was made from 97 to 06, and you can pick up the LJ, which is the extended version, from 2004 to 2006. So a Highline kit basically raises your fender here, giving you more clearance to put a bigger tire on with the shorter lift, which is very desirable, and a ton of companies do them, but all of them that you see, all of them, it's clearly a Highline kit. It's usually some sort of steel bar. What makes this so unique is that this looks relatively factory, and most of them are factory painted. This kit you'll find it two different ways because it has two different components. One is the front fenders and the fender flares, and the other piece of this kit is the AEV hood. So the most desirable way you can get it is the way this particular Jeep is set up, and that's the whole kit. You got fenders, fender flares, and hood. The other cheat that a lot of people did, because the hoods were expensive, one, and two, now very, very hard to find, is you just trim your hood. So you put the fenders on, and then you cut your hood to match. However, it wouldn't get this nice vented piece here that does function, sucks heat off of that motor, making it run at cooler temperatures, particularly if you guys are doing things like running moab in the summer, stuff like that, where it's very, very hot and you're worried about your temperatures. So a very cool part. We get them every chance we can. If you guys find one, you want to sell one, please give us a call. We'd love to take it off your hands. For any questions about this Jeep or any parts or performance, or you'd like to look at something, give us a call anytime at 502-459-9900. We'll talk to you guys next time.